Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
Sometimes the most beautiful furniture comes from simple, natural materials. Birch logs look warm, vibrant, and fit perfectly into a green garden. This flower bed is beautiful even without brightly colored plants. The stones create a floral pattern, and the mulch creates a warm, clean, and tidy backdrop. Look how beautifully they've used water here. A small waterfall, water lilies, flowers, and a wooden canopy create a true relaxation spot right in the yard. Here's how an old bathtub can take on a whole new purpose. Instead of trash, 2 garden chairs look bold, bright, and very unusual. Here's how an old barrel can become a useful part of the garden. A sink on top, a place for a hose inside, and this outdoor sink looks not only comfortable but also very original. A wicker wall instantly changes the mood of the area. It adds warmth, encloses the space, and transforms a simple area into a cozy garden nook. When garden furniture is carved, it becomes more than just a place to relax. You'll want to admire this corner because every detail is crafted with love. Don't rush to throw away broken tiles after a renovation. You can use them to create a mosaic path that will beautify your garden every day. If you want your property to be memorable from the street, a fence like this is perfect. It looks unusual, warm, and adds a touch of fairy tale charm to the yard. Sometimes a garden needs a single tall accent. A tree, flowers, and vines transform an ordinary planter into a beautiful decorative composition. This bench transforms a tree into the focal point of the yard. It will provide shade during the day, and in the evening, the soft glow of fairy lights will instantly make this spot a favorite spot for relaxation.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.